Good morning, students. Hope you are stay safe in your home. Today topic: types of nutrients for SEM 5. Unit 2, healthy food. Concept of health. In previous video, I tell you about the balanced diet, healthy food, and concept of health. Means how we maintain our health and how we develop our growth and how we can fight with some type of disease as like nowadays coronavirus. If we increase our immunity system, we develop our balanced diet and daily use some type of fitness as like exercise and many other things, we can escape from ourselves and protective from coronavirus. So today's topic is the types of nutrients. Nutrients means the food value, the items which is provide the different types of as like in the different types of valuable things to our body and with the help of balanced diet. So let's start the topic, types of nutrients. Nutrients can be divided in the molecules and micronutrients, and by the help the WHO, World Health Organization, divided the nutrients in basically main 6 points. Number 1 is vitamins. Vitamins that provide to help our bodybuilding, as like they provide to develop ourselves. They provide our sixth sense as like feeling, smelling, sight seeing, touching, hearing. So with the help of vitamins, we can increase our eyesight. We can increase our growth. We can increase our many other things, skin and many other things. Minerals. Minerals that are the khanij which provide, we can consume by the magnesium, calcium, sulfur, chlorine, sodium, potassium, iron, zinc, which also help to develop our body for smooth working function. Protein provide the energy for developing our cells, our body buildup. Fat provide energy. Fat provide our strength to our body. Water also essential for our body. WHO says that in a single day you can use at least 8 to 10 glasses of water for smooth functioning, for blood purification and many other things. Carbohydrate that thing which we use for working, which we get energy for our stamina. So we can discuss point by point. Vitamins. Let's start with the vitamins. Vitamins A, B, C, D, E and K. Vitamin A is essential for our eye, our skin. Vitamin B not a single. Vitamin B a complex of 12 vitamins. Vitamin B 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 7, 8, 12. So vitamin B is not a single. Vitamin B known as the riboflavin or vitamin B complex. Vitamin C is used for, it is found in citrus as like lemon, as like orange, and it is used for our skin disease. Vitamin C is protective our skin from disease as like scurvy disease. Vitamin D. Vitamin D increase our bone strength. Vitamin E. Vitamin E increase our body fitness, our tiredness, and vitamin K is used for internal stamina. So vitamins as like a work as like a software, they divided in the 6 with the help of B12 complex. They develop our different function of our body as like eye, hair, growth, pleasant skin, glow, color, many other things. Minerals develop our body and give the strength to our bones as like magnesium, calcium, sulfur, sodium that is found in the salt, table salt, sodium chloride, potassium, phosphorus and chloride. In old times, food are prepared in the iron pots and copper pots. They give the pleasant aroma and develop our body to help and escape the nutritive value of our food. But nowadays we use aluminum, helium, that type of metals which decrease our food value, the nutritive values of food and decrease in aluminum and many other things. In scientific reason, if the food prepared in the aluminum or helium, it is not good for health concept, but it is prepared in the copper or in iron metal, it is so health concept and useful for protecting the nutrients value of the food. Protein found in the egg, fish, meat, milk product, dairy product, soya. It develops our muscles, muscular, it develops our body, it increases the health and immunity system. Fat is used for protective our body from changing the atmosphere, from changing the environment as like from summer to winter, winter to summer, rainy season. It is protective our body as a protector with the help of fat. The fat is found in the oily foods, soya, chunks, pulses, many others. Water is protect and throw out our wrong nutritive, that wrong product which is produced after the burning of food. With the help of water converted as a urine, and with the help of urine it destroys the harmful materials from our body. In hot season, in summer season, the water turned in a sweat and came out our body for give the pleasant and throw out the harmful activities, throw out the harmful chemicals, throw out the harmful things came out from our body with the help of sweat. So water is essential for our body. It also develop and build up our body for regular working period. Carbohydrate also, it is the fatty and nutritive value. It provides the energy, it provides the heat to our body. Carbohydrate found at the rice, pulses, grain, potato. With the help of carbohydrate, we protect our body from flu disease, from as like open virus disease. So today topic we learn about the nutrients. What we say nutrients, that points, that things which help to our body for a balanced diet. Vitamins, minerals, protein, fat, water and carbohydrate. So science suggests to take a balanced diet. In balanced diet we also include these 6 points, these 6 type of nutritive value in our food. So for protecting our body from disease, from virus, from winter changing, from any other thing. So you can easily understand these nutrients in next video. We keep the elaborate of these points. Okay. So thanks for listening.